He will be versing from Lincoln Sudbury, 10th grader, with a record this year of 18-6 and a career record of 20-8, Ben DeFranzo.
So hard not to move the camera.
At 103 from Mohan, a 10th grader, with a record of 16-5, Austin Konak. Against from Lincoln Sudbury, an 11th grader, with a record of 16-4, James Hamilton. At 112, a 12th grader with a record of 16-3 from East Windsor, Eric Sturba. And from Cohoes, a 10th grader with a record of 18-6 and a career record of 49-6, Connor Francis. At 119, Pontaconic High School, a 9th grader with a record of 9-3, Ryan Dion. And from Lincoln Sudbury, a 10th grader with a record of 12-2 and a career record of 20-6, Jake Galagani. At 125, from Schenectady, an 11th grader with a record of 24-7 and a career record of 68-20, Lou Cafariella. And from Lincoln Sudbury, a 12th grader with a record of 20-3 and a career record of 108-41, Eric Davis. At 130, a 10th grader from Mahonison with a record of 20-3 and a career record of 37-17, Dom Notar. And from Lincoln Sudbury, a senior with a record of 24-3 and a career record of 69-30, Harry Greenhouse. At 135, from Schenectady, a junior with a record of 23-1, Gus Clark. And from Galway, a junior with a record of 22-4 and a career record of 67-13, Jose Sartin. At 140, from Mahonison, a 12th grader with a record of 20-2 and a career record of 118-38, Mark Hitchcock. And from East Windsor, a 12th grader with a record of 19-1 and a career record of 118-20, Seth Miller.
I know, I have no idea who any of these people are.
At 145, from Schenectady, a 12th grader with a record of 14-12, Roland Hines. And from Canjo, a 12th grader with a record of 21-3 and a career record of 122-36, Kenny Krause. At 152, from Canjo, a senior with a record of 19-4 and a career record of 47-13, Kurt Friedenberger. And from Cohoes, a 12th grader with a record of 22-8, Brett Molnow. At 160, an 11th grader with a record of 25-2 and a career record of 82-21 from Broadalbin, Perth, Brandon Ainsworth. And from Cohoes, an 11th grader with a record of 21-7, Kyle Derpatney. At 171, from Taconic High School, a senior with a record of 21-2 and a career record of 64-25, Jesse Cordana. And from Harwood, a senior with a record of 19-0 and a career record of 87-25, Mahmoud Kachaliv. At 189, from Schenectady, a 10th grader with a record of 10-2, Joaquin Zamora. And from Cohoes, a senior with a record of 27-0 and a career record of 117-25, Dustin Hallett. At 215, a senior with a record of 17-2 and a career record of 102-20, from Schenectady, Isaiah Earring. And from Harwood, a senior with a record of 16-2 and a career record of 31-14, Henry Woodard. And at 285 from Mahonison, 11th grader with a record of 21-2 and a career record of 53-43, Corey Quintana. And from Lincoln Sudbury, a senior with a record of 21-0, a career record of 120-28, Zach Smirlis.